Kia ora, ko Patukino ahau, he uri au no tauranga moana. Te tauhou Māori, Matariki, e wā kia tuku, ngā mea katoa no te tau I pahure ake, anō hoki he timatanga hou. Ai. I te tau kua hipa I ngaro e tai waka parata ki tēnei taniwha, te whakamomori. You'll never really understand it until it's happened close to you. You don't know what, you don't know when, you don't know where, you don't know why. To me, because I have experienced it, I never put the blame on anything for the reason why, because that just gives you a reason to blame for a tragic event when our brother, he had lived a great life, and it's better to remember all of his greatness that he had lived and done instead of thinking about the one event which it led to. Te taia he tūmomo rongoa ki au, āhine ngaro a wairua hoki, I aku a taumaha ei, ko ia rongoa kia hai ki te moana, kia whakawātea, kia tuku, I aku mamai, Miki. Kingi bro, I'm looking at the kingies! Yeah, after everything that happened, we saw the importance of staying connected and staying close. I want to try change it to saying that it's strong to speak. Always talk to your friends. Tēnei wā o te Matariki, he wā kia whakamomahara I a rātou kua wehe atura, anō hoki he wā kia ora ai I a rātou rangasiratanga, Miki. Te manako ia ka hoki mai au ki te kāinga, kia tuku I aku toto, kia tā ai aku kiri, kia haihai I aku kiri, me oku pūhoro. Ākoa, te aha ngā mahi, te mea nui ai ki te no tai ki tau aku whānau, o aku tino hoa, kia pai au anō hoki rātou. After the starting of the year, everyone become more open to the fact that it's real. It's real and it's there. We really began to tell each other that we loved each other. There was no stigma around being, like, hey, you're soft, but it wasn't. It's really strong and uplifting to talk to your bros and let them know how you feel.